that we're in the Systems Accelerator Manager, on the top right-hand side, you are going to see hi in your name. And then next to that, there's a white circle with your initials. Now, if you click on that white circle, you're going to have a drop-down menu, and we're actually going to go into the profile this time. So once we're in the profile, this is where you're going to start to fill in all of your important details. Now, after that, we are going to fill out our member voice. Now, what a member voice is essentially your writing style. What does it sound like when someone reads your writing? So you can go through, and on this right-hand side, you can click through all of the different attributes that you would like to associate with your writing style. Now, if you decide you don't want one of the attributes, you can just uncheck it. But the other thing that you can do is on this left-hand side, you can hit Analyze Content. Now, from here, what you can do is click in and either start typing and sharing a little bit of a fun anecdotal story or an example of a message, or you can just grab something that you've written for one of your customers or maybe several of your customers in the past, and you can paste it in here. Now, what it'll do from here, Sam will read the resource that you've just pasted in here, and it'll start to gather what your member voice is. So this is really cool. You can either choose it for yourself if you know exactly what you want your writing style or the things that Sam is going to help you write to sound like, or if you're not quite sure, you can analyze the content.